So in this question we've been asked to integrate this function, which is integral of log x whole squared over x dx. Now the thing that we'll do is assume this log x as t. You'll get to know why we did that. And if we differentiate both sides with respect to x, it would be dt over dx equals 1 over x. And if we solve it further, we'll get dx equals x times dt. This is one of our equations. And now, as you can see in this question, we can replace this dx with this thing and write log x equals t, and we'll reach to the conclusion. So it would be integral of instead of log x, we'll write t and it's squared over in the bottom we have x, and instead of dx here, instead of dx, we can write x times dt, which would be x times dt. This x and x gets cancelled out, and we'll be left with integration of t squared dt. And using basic property of integration, its answer would be t cube over 3. It was something like t to the power of 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. So it would be t cube over 3 plus c. Now remember to replace this t once again, which is t equals log x. So if we write here, it would be log x whole cube over 3 plus c. This is our final answer.